Hi, this is Lisa Broomfield, and this is my reflection on how great leaders inspire action. I love that video. I think in terms of dreamers and doers, one of my friends one time told me, she said, "You're a doer, not the dreamer thinker." I don't agree totally 100%, but I do see what she's talking about. I see that when people are, I'm more linear, and I see that when people are more abstract and they're the leader, sometimes they look for another abstract person. And actually, I think that's an error because that person may or may not really be the one that believes in the company like the doer. The doer, I feel like I'm a doer like the Wright brothers were doers, and they hung in there and kept working to see their dream come true. Whereas sometimes when you choose a dreamer, another abstract person, they don't really buy into the company because they believe it. I think they're more, this is just what they're doing. Because I see it all the time at work. I see sometimes people who get promoted, but they don't really believe in the company. They are able to kind of project themselves as really being a believer, but they're not really a believer in the company. And then what happens? The work doesn't get done, and then they have to come and find someone like me who's the worker bee behind the scenes and who actually does the work. And I wish that the one who is the leader, when they give the idea that everyone is excited about, that they maybe would look for, now how are we going to make this work, a little bit more than finding someone who may be a little more charismatic, but who actually is not the one who's going to be able to see the project through because they don't really believe in it. I see this all the time at work. And sometimes I get upset because I see people getting promoted and they're not really the doer. And then what happens is they go to another place and they can't make things happen. And then it's pretty sad. So I think that to do this, just like Apple, okay, they have the person who has this great idea, but then they have to find people who are going to stick with them the whole time and get the job done. And that's how I see the video. I really think that there has to be a balance between the dreamer, the one who has this great idea, and then all those people who really, really, really believe in it. They really need to find the person who can not just believe in it, but actually do it. Because I see sometimes people who are just dreamers and the work never gets done. And that's my reflection. Thank you.